Hi friends, in this session we'll discuss some of this MCQ of chapter number 9, that is equilibrium. So let's start one by one. The pH of the solution obtaining by mixing 50 ml of 1 normal HCl and 30 ml of 1 normal of NaOH is, in bracket you are given a log 2.5 is equal to 0.3979. So this is your given data. You are given a two solution, that is 50 ml of 1 normal HCl and second 30 ml 1 normal of NaOH. What is the pH of this resultant solution? Okay, so let's start. What is the formula for this? N is equal to N1V1 minus N2V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Now sir, what is N1, what is V1? So that is concentration of acid multiplied by its volume minus concentration of base multiplied by its volume divided by total volume. So 50 ml 1 normal, 30 ml 1 normal divided by 50 plus 30. So 20 divided by 80 is equal to 1/4. So the resultant solution having concentration is 0.25. Fine. So 0.25. Now what is the pH? pH is nothing but minus log of H plus. So minus log of 0.25. So that is minus log of 2.5 divided by 10. So 2.5 and 10 देख लीजिए, 0.25 का भी आप log देख सकते हो, 2.5 का भी देख सकते हो, and then finally you get your answer 0.6021. So your option B Bombay is your right answer. Question 2. For this reversible reaction, N2 plus 3 mole of H2, you get 2 mole of ammonia at 500 degrees Celsius. The value of Kp for this reaction, Kp is 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 5. When the partial pressure is measured in atmosphere, the corresponding values of Kc with the concentration in mole per liter is, so Kp दिया हुआ है, आपको Kc ढूंढना है. सी फाइनल आंसर नहीं ढूंढना है, इन रेशियो में ढूंढना है. तो यहाँ पे रेशियो दिया हुआ है, तो कौन से रेशियो में होगा? बहुत ही सिंपल सा है आंसर. आंसर फाइनल तक नहीं जाना है, वैल्यूज रखनी है एंड देन यू गेट योर आंसर. So first write down the given chemical reaction. N2 plus 3 mole of H2, you get 2 mole of ammonia. So delta Ng for this reaction, Np minus Nr, 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. R is this, temperature is this. So what is our formula? Kp is equal to Kc, RT raised to delta Ng. Make a form of Kc, Kp, RT raised to minus 2. सारी वैल्यूज रख दीजिए यहाँ पे. 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 5 दिया हुआ है, डिवाइड बाय 0.082 into 773 raised to minus 2. सो ऐसा जहाँ पे भी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल हो. अच्छी बात क्या है, इसको आपको सॉल्व नहीं करना है. अगर सॉल्व करके आंसर ढूंढना है तो थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन लंबा हो जाता एंड इट विल टेक सम टाइम. बट आपको यही रेशियो में ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, सो ये रेशियो आपको मिल जाएगा ऑप्शन डी में. सो योर आंसर डी दिल्ली इज योर राइट आंसर. Third, the expression for the solubility product of Ag2CO3 will be, बहुत ही इजी हो जाएगा ये आपके लिए. Ag2CO3 is nothing but 2Ag plus plus SCO3 minus 2. This is 2S, this is S, that is 4S cube. तो आपका रिलेशनशिप बन जाएगा KSP is equal to 4S cube. That is your B Bombay is your right answer. Fourth, the pKa of HCN is 9.30. The pH of a solution prepared by mixing 2.5 moles of KCN and 2.5 mole of HCN in water and making up the total volume 500 ml is, चार ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं, बहुत ही सिंपल. फॉर्मूला होगा pH is equal to pKa log of KCN upon HCN. So fourth, pH is equal to pKa plus log KCN divided by HCN. 9.3 plus log 2.5 divided by 2.5. Simple, your answer is 9.3. Question number 5. A gaseous phase reaction is allowed to attain equilibrium as A gives B plus C at constant pressure P. The partial pressure of A at equilibrium is P by 2. The value of equilibrium constant Kp is. 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, you get your answer. So A gives B plus C. Initial concentration is A, at that time product is dash dash. After some time X is the amount of species undergoes decomposition, so X and X. So P dash A is equal to A minus X P divided by A plus X is equal to P by 2. So X is equal to A by 3. So Kp is equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration multiplied by P divided by A plus X raised to 1. इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. What do you get? A by 3 multiplied by A by 3 multiplied by P divided by A square minus A square by 9. Simple. Simplify. Your answer is P by 8. 5 mole of SO2 and 5 mole of O2 are allowed to react at equilibrium. It was found that 60% of SO2 is used up. If the partial pressure of equilibrium mixture is 1 atmosphere, the partial pressure of O2 is. स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से 2 बार पढ़ लीजिए. Then we start the numerical. सबसे पहले केमिकल रिएक्शंस लिख लीजिए. 6th SO2 plus O2 gives SO3. इनिशियल दिया हुआ है 5 at that time product form is 0. At equilibrium 1.3 is used, 1.5 is used. So why 3 and 1.5? Just because it's 2 mole concentration, it's half of this, and product is 3 mole. So what is left at equilibrium? 2, 3.5. So P of O2 is nothing but product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. That is 3.5 multiplied by 1 divided by 8.5 is equal to your answer. So D Delhi is your right answer. Statement number 7, important one, competitive में पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन. The pH of 10 to the power minus 10 molar NaOH solution is nearest to. स्टेटमेंट बहुत ही सिंपल है, आंसर भी थोड़ा सा सिंपल है, बट अच्छे से ध्यान रखिएगा किस हिसाब से उसको सॉल्व करते हैं हम. Given concentration of NaOH is 10 to the power minus 10 molar. When NaOH is dissociated, you get Na plus plus OH minus. So we'll start with 10 to the power minus 10. तो जब डिसोशिएट होगा 10 to the power minus 10 Na plus होगा, 10 to the power minus 10 OH minus. So OH minus from NaOH is 10 to the power minus 10. अब सॉल्यूशन है तो सॉल्यूशन के अंदर पानी भी होगा और पानी हैविंग H plus plus OH minus, तो उसको भी हमें कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. So total OH minus is 10 to the power minus 7 plus 10 to the power minus 10. So 10 to the power 7 common, 1 plus 0.001. So 10 to the power 7 is nothing but 1,001 divided by 1000. So this multiplication कीजिए and उसका POH ढूंढिए. तो POH is nothing but minus log of OH minus. अब इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. Your answer is 6.99. So pH plus POH is equal to 14. So 14 minus 6.99999. So your answer is 7. So 10 to the power minus 10 molar NaOH का आंसर नियरली इक्वल टू 7 होगा. 8 स्टेटमेंट बहुत ही सिंपल है बट कॉम्पिटेटिव में पूछा हुआ है. द इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट फॉर दिस रिएक्शन दैट इज N2 plus O2 gives 2NO at the temperature T is 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. The value of Kc for this reaction at same temperature is. So finally you have to find out the Kc for this reaction. अब देखिए here in case N2 plus O2 gives 2NO के लिए ये रेट दिया हुआ है, बट ढूंढना किसके लिए है? NO gives half N2 plus O2 means this is 1 हो जाएगा. मैक्सिमम टाइम स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे गलती करते हैं. ये दिया हुआ है N2 plus O2 gives 2NO के लिए एंड Kc ढूंढना है आपको. NO gives half N2 plus O2 ये रिएक्शन के लिए ढूंढना है, इसलिए K' C is equal to 1 Kc हो जाएगा. So your equation N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. For this you have a Kc. बट फॉर गिवन रिएक्शन ये उल्टा हो रहा है, तो दैट्स व्हाई K dash C इज नथिंग बट प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन डिवाइड बाय रिएक्टेंट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, दैट इज 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट Kc. 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट Kc करोगे तो योर आंसर बिकम्स दिस. सो फाइनल आंसर आपको मिलेगा K dash C इज इक्वल टू 50, दैट इज B बॉम्बे इज योर राइट आंसर. 9th, NaOH aqueous, HCl aqueous and NaCl aqueous concentration of each is 10 to the power minus 3 molar. Their pH will be respectively. बहुत ही सिंपल एंड स्ट्रेट अवे. अभी हमने एक NaOH वाला ऊपर देखा, सेम NaOH is OH minus 10 to the power minus 3, H plus plus OH minus is equal to 10 to the power 14. तो H plus कितना हो गया, ये 10 to the power 3 चला गया, 10 to the power minus 11, तो इसका pH हो गया 11. HCl is 10 to the power minus 3, तो डायरेक्टली इसका pH हो गया 3, and NaCl it's a neutral one, so that's why its pH is equal to 7. So our answer is 11, 3, 7, that is B Bombay is your right answer. So let's start with the 10th one. Given the equilibrium constant for this reaction, that is 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3, has the value 278 at particular temperature. What is the value of equilibrium constant for this following reaction? Once again यहाँ पे भी देखिए उल्टा दिया हुआ है. SO2 plus O2 gives SO3 के लिए वैल्यू दी हुई है. अब पूछा है SO3 gives SO2 plus half O2. K dash C ढूंढना है. K dash C क्या होगा वो यहाँ पे आपको 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं. ऑलमोस्ट ऐसा ही एक न्यूमेरिकल हमने पहले भी किया हुआ है, सेम टू सेम है. फटाफट चेक करते हैं बिकॉज उसके बाद वाला 11th इज इंपॉर्टेंट वन, कॉम्पिटिटिव में पूछा हुआ है. 10th, 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. For this K is given is 278. बट आपको पूछा है बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन के लिए, तो K dash is equal to 1 upon under root K. Simplify, you get your answer. 11th, important. What is the pH of 1 molar CH3COONA solution if Ka of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5, Kw is 10 to the power minus 14? These are the 4 options. Eleventh, CH3COO minus plus H2O gives CH3COOH plus OH. This is hydrolysis of salt. So OH minus is equal to C into H is equal to C under root KH by C. Now what actually means by KH? KH is nothing but KW divided by KA into C. Simplify कीजिए, you are given a KW, आप सभी को पता है, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. KA की वैल्यू दी हुई है, you get your answer. Now this you get OH minus concentration. आपको ढूंढना है PH and POH. तो minus log of OH minus will give you the POH and PH plus POH will give you the pH. So your answer D Delhi is your right answer. Okay, next statement number 12. This is almost same. ऊपर किया हुआ ऐसा ही है कुछ, देख लेते हैं फटाफट. You are given a SO2 plus O2 gives SO3. Partial pressure of all the 3 reactant and product species are 0.662, 0.101, 0.331 atm respectively. What should be the partial pressure of oxygen? So the equilibrium concentration becomes equal. So let's start 12th. Kp for this reaction is P of SO3 raised to 2 divided by P of SO2 raised to 2 into PO2. All the values are given, so you get 2.5 Kp. Now Kp, P of SO3 raised to 2 divided by P of SO2 raised to 2 PO2. SO3 and O2 अगर सेम है तो PO2 is equal to 1 upon Kp, that is 1 divided by 2.5 is equal to 0.4 atm. So your answer A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Let's start 13th. What is the H plus concentration in mole per liter of a solution that is 0.20 molar CH3COONA and 0.1 molar CH3COOH. Ka for this reaction is this. I think this is really very easy. फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, pH is equal to pKa log of conjugated base divided by acid. वैल्यूज रखिए, यू गेट योर आंसर. आई थिंक ये मैं आपके लिए छोड़ सकता हूँ, आप अच्छे से ट्राई कर लीजिएगा, आपको पता चल जाएगा. विल मूव ऑन टू दिस 14th वन. द सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ CaF2 इज in pure water is 2.3 into 10 to the power 6. Its solubility product will be, नीचे 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए. Let's start and solve this numerical number 14. CaF2 is equivalent to Ca plus 2 and 2F minus. Ca is only S and 2F minus का 2S यहाँ पे है. So KSP is equal to 4S cube. So आपको S ढूंढना है, तो S is nothing but cube root of KSP by 4. Simplify करोगे, your answer is 48.66 into 10 to the power minus 18. That is B Bombay is your right answer. So this is all about your today's session. Next session में और भी MCQ practice करेंगे, but this session is end over here. Thank you so much.